The Naturehike 3-in-1 butane heater offers a versatile design that functions as a heater, cooking surface, and warming shelf, making it an essential companion for outdoor trips. With a powerful heat output of 3,750 BTU, this heater can efficiently warm areas ranging from 54 to 108 square feet in a matter of minutes. Running on an 8-ounce butane canister, this portable heater provides warmth for up to 240 minutes, ensuring long-lasting comfort during your camping adventures. The heater is user-friendly with its magnetic connection and automatic gas shutoff feature, offering a safe and straightforward operation even for beginners. Designed for convenience, it includes a detachable warming shelf and carry handle, making it easy to transport and perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Naturehike's attention to detail in the construction of this heater ensures it is a reliable and efficient choice for camping and outdoor activities.